This is a set of 600L bar microbrewing system. The whole set of equipment is composed of malt milling system, brewhouse system, fermentation tank, bright beer tanks, keg bottle or keg filling system and related supporting facilities. We have 16 fermenters for this equipment. This is the crushing system in the beer brewing system. Malt and grain raw materials, rice, corn, barley, etc., dissolve well when crushed. This is the fermentation control system in this beer brewing system. This is mashing. Observe the stirring. This is burning scum. Feeding process ends. After mashing, the wort is refluxed and filtered. Observation window wort clarity. After filtering, enter the boiling pot. Automatic bad. Add hops during boiling. This is the mash control system. If you are preparing to open up a brewery, Tiantai Brewtech might assist you answer your concerns, as well as provide the brewery devices system. We supply 2-150 BBL full beer brewing brewery equipment system including malt milling tools, brewhouse equipment, fermenters, bright beer tanks, beer bottling maker, beer canning machine, beer kegging equipment, hopping maker, yeast proliferation tools. We also supply all supporting brewery systems like steam home heating pipe and also valves, water treatment, filter, air compressor, etc. Whatever in brewery are all in our listing.